What's up everyone, Jesse here. So today I got a vlog for y'all. My 2001 Jaguar XJR won't pass smog. I replaced the fuel cap, but that didn't work. And it turns out that it's a broken adapter on the canister. I checked online, but they don't sell the adapter. They sell the whole canister together. I'm not about to buy a whole canister just for an adapter. So I've been checking the inventory on the pick and pull, that's the junkyard, and they finally got an XJ8 there. So we finna go over there, take the part, slap it on my XJR, and finally pass smog so I can make more videos about that Jag. So we finna take the Tesla. Let's head out. Alright, so here's the problem with my XJR. It's throwing a check engine light code P0455, which means there's a large leak in the evaporative emission control system, and it just won't pass smog like that. The top three solutions are replacing the evaporator vent solenoid, the evaporator lines, or the purge solenoid. So I hit up my boy Gary to help a YN out, and he brought out his smoke machine, and we were able to pinpoint exactly where the large leak was coming from. Turns out that the issue was with the passenger side canister. The line has a broken adapter that connects to it. Plus, while I was down there, I did notice that the rubber hoses are worn out and need replacing too. Oh, look at all these gasoline cars. Old gasoline cars, ew. Yup, shout out to my homies, the LGBT. Let's get beer together, homies. You like that?
I think you should never post that. I think you should.
I saved it, bruh. Let's go. This right here is an S-Type. Check it out. I'm not really a big fan of this Jaguar model. It does have that 60s vibe mixed with the modern age, but it's very cheaply made. This is back when Ford took over and they wanted to push the Jaguar brand and make it affordable for everyone. I don't like working on the S or X types at all. Alright, so I did not see this one in the online inventory, so they didn't mention it, but this is an XJ8. Must be a Venden Plus. The chrome features right here on the side mirror and on the door, and also check out the interior. Ooh, somebody already took the doors. The picnic tables in the back. Here, let me open the door. Oh, but check out the seats. Extra cushion, soft leather seats, super comfy. You do cocaine right there.
Ah, ya. Ay, papantla, tus hijos vuelan.
We're going to use this. Oh yeah, now I'll be hella comfortable while I remove the part. Straight chilling. Alright, I got the part out, and it looks like this Jag probably had the same issue before, because this hose right here is not the original hose. You see those markings? The original wouldn't have no markings. It would just be all black. And also the hose clamps they're using. The ones on the Jag has these crimp-on clamps. These looks like, you know, heater hose clamps. But that's the adapter that's broken on my Jag. So this is all I need. Oh, it was for sale too. They wanted 2 racks for it. Nobody bought it. This is like an 80s XJS. It looks so much smaller in person. And take a look at the engine. Oh, that's it? That's all it opens? Wow. That's a V12 right there. A work of art. I will never touch this kind of engine. The fog lights would be sick though to put on the XJ6 Series 3. These are gonna look nice on the XJ6. Let's go. Alright, so I just realized that I don't have the hose or the adapter on me. I put them on top of the bag, but I think I might have removed them while I was removing the fog lights. So I forgot what I came for, and I have to go look for it now. All right, I'll be back. I got tired. I almost gave up, bruh. I almost gave up. I was looking everywhere. I almost gave up, but then I remembered about inspirational words from Tom Brady.
Stop being a bitch and come on.
Jesse?
Yeah.
Each fog map is $15.99. Each hose is $2.99. Tax and fees $47.10.
Damn, all right. Took an L on that price. That's why I came up on this, though. That's why I came up. Got to get my money's worth. Should have taken a hose, and I should have taken a fog light. That way it would have been on like $17.99. Hell no, bro. They robbing me. Now they robbed us for sure. Look at this guy. Come on, bruh. Keep it moving. He was just liking his car. Who else we got? Who else we got? Let's see. Right here. Where he at? Where he at? Look at that guy. How dare he pass by my Tesla. Now that I got the adapter and some used but in way better condition line, I linked up with my boy Gary again to swap everything out. He helped me remove the old worn out lines and get the new ones installed. We replaced both sides with the adapters. This seems like a common issue on the XJ8s and XJRs, so if y'all got the same code or ever get this code, definitely check out the lines and adapters first. Alright, so the check engine light is finally off, but now I gotta drive 800 miles to get the Jaguar's OBD2 monitors ready for smog. Yeah, I know that's crazy, but it is what it is. I'm just hella happy that I was able to solve this issue, so shout out to my cameraman and my boy Gary for helping me out. Next up, I'll be posting an update when I take it in for smog. So I didn't record an outro for y'all, so this is it. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.